Good day everyone. For today's update, I work on with the continuation of the SSS. And number one thing that I did is, of course, I fixed my camera module for it to work completely and have it feed on the SSS camera viewing again. So as you can see now, it's now viewing properly, like this one. So there's around, I think, 30 seconds delay, so I still need to work on with the enhancement for the delay of the camera. And then the next page and other things are still working properly. And one thing that I added for this update is the settings. So when I click the settings, it will show all of the settings that is applicable or present for the smart surveillance system. So these settings is editable, but there's still some issues with the edit that I'm still sorting out with Pygame, since I still need to add or attach a button for it to have an editable form and I can save any changes without problem. So for the settings right now, when you hit enter, for example, you can edit the API key like that and any other variables. The problem here is that Pygame is restricting me to have additional page up and down with arrow keys, which is I'm currently sorting out. So these settings is helpful and necessary before we proceed with the installer or creation of installer, since once the SSS is installed on the system, we will ask the user to configure the settings first. So the settings, they will update the for example, the confidence threshold that we added, the trigger classes, the durations, etc., as well as the base URL. So when there's few changes, we can do this as well as admin or technical support, and we can update it directly here instead of configuring the env from the code directly. I think this is all for now. I'll be working on with the fixes of settings and continue with the enhancement of the camera as well as the installer once I'm done with the issues.